Hey everybody, they just called from the post office and my chicks are here, so let's go get them. It is a super pretty morning this morning, and I am a little bit nervous because these chicks shipped when we had a pretty good cold snap, the 2 days that they've been in the mail. So like right now it's 15 degrees, so I am hoping that all is well with them because these are my Ameraucanas. Hey, there's the hawk that keeps getting my chickens up there. You saw him fly across the road. Here we are, the moment of truth. As soon as I got in the lobby, I could hear peeping, so I was encouraged. And I opened the box, and it looks like they did pretty well. The box is still kind of warm. I don't want to open it all the way, but that one with the red is probably marked. I have a couple different white ones. So those are little Libby and Limpies. I see Ameraucanas in there, but everybody looks very peppy, so that is great to see. Let's get them home and see how they did. Okay, we're home. I got the package unwrapped, so it looks like what I have in here are blue Ameraucanas, Austro Whites, white Leghorns, which are the orange chicks, and then lavender Ameraucanas, which I'm excited about, and then Splash Ameraucana, and it says they are blue. I'm not sure about that because I could have blues in there, so we'll see what's in the box. Okay, let's see. Sometimes this can be sad. Not seeing anything sad yet. And they did put a heat pack in there, so that's good. And it's about worn out, so. All right, guys. Usually the ones that don't make it are smashed in the corner, and they all made it. So how awesome is that? All right, so these, okay, blue, got blue on their heads. These are my little Splash Ameraucanas. Oh my, they're loud. Here's my Leghorns. There's an Austro White. You should have some little specks on it. Oh, they're cute. All right, and I'm guessing all these are little Libby and Limpies, the little lavenders. Look at those puffy cheeks. How cute is that? All right, this is great news. They all made it, so it's time to get them in the brooder. The little brooders are all set up. And I am also giving them a little bit of scratch corn, also the cracked corn, a little bit at the beginning. So I'm going to get them in there to make sure they get a drink and under the heat plate. Start with the white ones here. Oh, they're already eating. Look at that. Can you see him drinking? Do the splash in here too. Notice this one is walking backwards. Do you see that? So I'm going to need to keep an eye on this one because this could be stargazing issues. Yeah, he is walking backwards, so we'll get him back out and try to do some NutriDrench with him right off the bat. All right, so I'm gonna put the others in this one. The one chick is definitely walking backwards, so this happens. Interesting that it's happened to me now twice, but it does happen. All right, so here go the lavenders. Get them in the water. The other ones were ready to eat. These little dark ones are blues. Oh my goodness, look how cute. So I need to make sure they get under that heat plate because I know they're cold. And usually once they figure out how to get in there, they're good. Well, he's eating. I don't want to bother him yet. There's one that already made it on the top of the heat plate. But some of them over here are figuring it out, and I'm glad to see they are eating and drinking. They're hungry and thirsty. Oh, look. They're actually very lively for chicks that just shipped in really cold temperatures, so I am glad to see this. I'm sure that there are chicks just as cute as Ameraucanas with their little puffy faces, but I don't know, it'd be a close tie. They are so adorable. Look at those little puffy faces. I love them. He is very thirsty, so he is coming right after that. He is very hungry and thirsty. That was a long trip from Missouri, huh? And this looks to be no chance of him inhaling that, which is good. He is drinking it right, drinking a little drops right off of there. He looks like a little blue, a little splash. He has a blue mark on his head. True to form, so far there have been some on the top screaming their head off, and it's been the ones with the red on them, which are the leghorns. They're already giving me trouble, and they just arrived. Right, everyone seems to have quieted down, and they are hungry and doing well so far. With chicks that you've had shipped in and you suspect they had a rough time, either it took longer than it should have or it's been really cold, you don't always see the losses right away. So using the heat plate with these is going to be a challenge because I kind of want to keep an eye on them. I may change out to a heat lamp so that I can see, for instance, anybody that's walking backwards or anybody who's just standing around looking sluggish, because those are the ones that you may lose. So you just want to keep a good eye on them so that you can kind of intervene if there's any problems. And sometimes, unfortunately, there's just not a lot you can do. But usually within the first couple days, you will see losses that are related to shipping as long as everything else is good with the chicks. But I'm really happy to see them eating and drinking. That's a good sign. Here's the other ones busy eating and drinking. Good for them. All right, guys, thanks. I will catch you the next time.